Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NXTTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis quite a few times last week, but want to get things updated, as you got to give credit where credit's due. Things were not looking so good at all. I mean, with the way things unfolded on Friday, the collapse, the price is sitting down around here, and all of a sudden, after today, the price is up at that area. So if that's not a turnaround, I don't know what is. So yeah, nice turnaround. I don't know any other word for it, and great way to start the week. So let's get some things updated. First thing, I'm going to do a little house cleaning, get rid of that line right there, and then make the first update, which comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch some of my videos from last week on this one, talked about 235 as resistance, and now that the price is back up above it, ideally speaking, that's the level that you do want to see the price stay above. With that being said, though, if the price does drop below 235, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because from more of the bigger picture type perspective, the price is still well up above the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And surprise, surprise, that's essentially right where the price found some support and bounced from there. So, as long as, moral of the story here, assuming you care about the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full 100% health. If the price were to drop below there, at that point, yeah, the chart loses some of its attractiveness. I'm not saying it's totally ruined. There's a big difference between losing attractiveness and being totally ruined. And that's what it would lose some attractiveness if the price were to drop below that purple line. But as it stands right now, the price is nicely above it. And as long as that's the case, like I said, the bulls are 100% in full control of the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, they revealed themselves on Friday of last week, and that's right up there at about basically $2.15. A little bit shy, but right around that same general area. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter, and I say that because as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in regards to building these higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.